What was it again? 9:30?
9:42.
Fuck. Hey guys, day 2, it's 9:42 and I'm just leaving now. It's a little bit later than I wanted to leave, but I've been setting up for some more camera angles and stuff like that, and I fixed some other issues that I was having with sound. This chest strap was creaking, so I've taped it up, put a bunch of electrical tape around it to try and stop that. It's all about improving the quality for you guys. So I'm gonna hit the road and I'll see you soon. Check that out. I thought I'd seen that there was a big bridge heading out of Boonville. I didn't realise it was that big though. That's pretty cool. I got a glimpse of it last night. I thought I'd seen the top of it. Hey man, how's it going? Sorry to interrupt you guys. Didn't know you, I guess you can't get through this end. Ah, okay. I must.
We used to cut.
Yeah. I guess I have to cross over on the road bridge then. Alright, so I think I worked it out. I just missed a sign. I'm up on the main street now. My best guess would be, well, maybe I don't even cross that river at all. I thought I did. There's no signs here. Okay. Alright, I worked it out. I missed a few more signs, but I saw some cyclists. They told me where to go. Yeah, I thought it would probably be over this road bridge, and it is. It's too bad you don't go over the railway bridge. It looks pretty sick, but oh well. Hey, comrades. Alright guys, so if you find yourself in Boonville coming from Clinton direction, you go past the trailhead and then right at the train station up to the main street, and then hang a left, and then you follow the main road over the bridge, take your next left. That'll take you back down to the Katy Trail. It'll be on your right in about a half mile. Not as hard as you think, considering how difficult it was for me, but anyway. New Franklin. Definitely not much here. You'd be better off going to Boonville. So I'm going to try and slow it down a bit so you can see the landscape a little better. Let me know in the comments if you prefer the fast scenes or the slower scenes. I don't have a gimbal or anything, so it can get quite shaky, but I can edit a bit of that out when I'm going quicker. Hey mate, how's it going? Yeah, so I can edit some of the shake out, but I feel like it's going to be better if I'm riding slower. But yeah, just we'll see when I'm editing anyway. Let me know. Hey guys, been riding for 53 minutes and just got into a part of the trail that's been closed. So I'll have to find my way around. There's a bridge here, so it shouldn't be too difficult. So down there I can see why the bridge is closed. It's completely washed away. Guess that was the old one there. I don't know if those guys told me I'm going the wrong way. Some people just stopped past and I think they said I went the wrong way. Okay, I'm back on the trail. And glad, very glad. I stopped a few times on the detour because it really seemed like I should have been able to get it back on it sooner. I mean, it said it was closed for flooding, so I decided just to trust what the signs on the road said, but the signs were seldom. You'd see one every like 3 miles or less. I'm coming out of Roacheport. Don't know if you can see that on my left. Pretty stark cliff. How's it going? Check it out guys, made it to the Missouri River. Look at that. It's actually a lot bigger than I was expecting.
Although I don't really know what I was expecting, to be real. And check out the side of the trail here. Look at that. Isn't that awesome?
How you going? Hello. Alright guys, so I just clocked over 40 kilometers in 2 hours. So that's halfway for today. I've got 50 miles and I know that 50 miles is 80 kilometers. So I'll have to check the time. It's probably around lunchtime, but my plan isn't to have lunch until I get to Jefferson City.
Just knocked out another 10Ks. Problem is I have to keep stopping because it's so beautiful through here. It's slow going. Hey guys, so I'm like 20 kilometers out of Jefferson City, and that'll be it for today. It's getting a little bit later in the day. It's about 1:20, so I should be there in the next hour. I've just been a bit slow, but that's alright. It's been really, really beautiful through here though. So Taylor will hopefully be waiting for me, and there'll be something for me to eat, and then we'll just see where we go from there. Probably have to find a shower, gotta get some food, and if I have time I'll go through the bike and show you what I'm riding.
Alright guys, I must be getting pretty close to Jefferson City now. I'm getting pretty hungry, so I'm going into like TT mode. All I got on my mind is some good warm food. There's only so many Oreos and Cliff bars I can eat. Aside from that, I've been drinking some sugar water. I just mixed about 200 grams of sugar with water, and I'm down to, that's empty. And yeah, so I'm eating a few Oreos now. I'm very, very keen to get to Jefferson City.
Guys, so I found Taylor. I'm super hungry. I had to go in the library and get Wi-Fi to find her, but I actually rode straight past her. Oh, is that lunch right there? Hell yeah, great, keen. What you got cooking?
No, actually we've got rice and potatoes.
Is it ready?
And some beans too, yeah, it's ready.
Alright, I'm gonna eat. That's today's ride. Alright guys, check it out. Taylor's made me rice, potatoes and beans. I was so hungry. She's just eating straight out of the rice cooker. Perfect.